Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone but working other iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. That's a curious issue. Let's troubleshoot together to fix Wi-Fi not working on one iPhone but working on other iPhone. Number one is check Wi-Fi settings. Ensure Wi-Fi is enabled on the affected iPhone. Go to the settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and you can see appears on screen Wi-Fi toggle is on, and you can see Wi-Fi is not connected. Simply tap on Wi-Fi and connected. If Wi-Fi is not connected, tap on the blue icon. Simply auto join, turn it on and fix your problem. If number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is compare network settings. Check these Wi-Fi settings on both iPhones to ensure they are identical. If settings are changed, simply same settings and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is restart the affected iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix all effective issues. Simply tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up again, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is reset network settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up again, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your iPhone network settings and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is forgot the network on the affected iPhone. Go to the settings, tap on this, tap on connected Wi-Fi, tap on forgot this network and reconnect the Wi-Fi again and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for software update. Ensure the affected iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check for physical obstructions. Ensure the affected iPhone is in the same location as the working iPhone. Make sure your location is same and Wi-Fi is same and fix the problem. If not same, simply connect other iPhone with same and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Check for issues with the router. Try restarting the router or contact your internet service provider and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is check for conflicts with VPN or proxy setting. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it on the affected iPhone and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on VPN and device management, tap on it. If connected, simply delete and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, restore the affected iPhone. If all else fails, try restoring iPhone with factory setting and 3U tool or with iTunes and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix the Wi-Fi not working on iPhone but working other iPhone problem. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.